Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I am here in Wheeling, West Virginia, and we're going to be checking out the collapsed Mount Wood Tunnel. Now I'm pretty sure we really can't get too far into this tunnel, and of course I don't want to make any risks for my own safety. But this is called the Mount Wood Tunnel because it runs underneath Mount Wood, which you may recognize from the Mount Wood Castle / Overlook, and also from the Mount Wood Cemetery, which I've never visited in a video, but a lot of people love to visit there. So, let's see how well we can see into the tunnel. So this is about as far as I'm gonna go. I hope you guys can see through the flashlight, but basically, just letting you know what I can see. There's lots of fog. It doesn't look flooded at all. I know it's blocked off somewhere towards the middle, and it almost looks like I swear it looks like there's still tracks in there, which would be really cool if there was, but it seems that the Wheeling city government has blocked off this end of the tunnel, so can't really go too far in it without climbing over this hill, and I really don't want to. But this is the collapsed Mount Wood Tunnel. One day, this will hopefully be part of a rail trail with the Chaplain Tunnel and another tunnel that I'm actually going to show off in my next video. So I know that this was a rather short video, just due to this tunnel being collapsed and due to me not wanting to risk my own personal safety. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. That really helps me a lot. And I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video, because I'm actually going to another tunnel, which is just across the way over here. So I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching.